Hi students, welcome to NSR IIT and NIT Academy. This is the 7th session of 2D coordinate geometry of junior inter students. So in this session also we discuss some important problems of MSET and IIT. So this is our first question. So 3 points A, B, C and P is a point, then the ratio of area of triangle PBC and triangle ABC is. So first find the area of triangle PBC, next find the area of triangle ABC, then find the ratio of these two area of triangles. So P x comma y, B minus 3 comma 5, C 4 comma minus 2. So area of triangle PBC equal to half mod x1 minus x2 x1 minus x3, here y1 minus y2 y1 minus y3, matrix form. It is a matrix form of area of triangle. So use this formula, we can easily find out the area. So x1 y1, this one x2 y2 and this one x3 y3, right. Substitute all these values in the formula. x1 minus x2, x minus of minus 3 plus 3, next x1 minus x3, x minus 4, here y1 minus y2, y minus 5, y1 minus y3, minus of minus 2 plus 2. So equal to, so simplify this one, AD minus BC. So it is equal to half mod x plus 3 into y plus 2 minus y minus 5 into x minus 4. Simplify this, half mod x into y, xy, x plus 2, x into 2, 2x, 3 into y, 3y, 2 3 is a 6 or 3 2 is a 6. Next minus of y into x, xy, y into minus 4, minus 4y, minus 5x plus 20. So half mod xy 2x plus 3y plus 6 minus xy, minus into minus plus 4y plus 5x minus 20. So plus xy minus xy cancel, half mod 2x plus 5x 7x, 3y plus 4y 7y, 6 minus 20 minus 14. So we get the area of the triangle PBC is 7x plus 7y minus 14 half mod. So next to find the area of triangle ABC. So A 6 comma 3, B minus 3 comma 5, C 4 comma minus 2, x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So area of triangle ABC equal to half mod. Apply same formula, x1 minus x2. Here also y1 minus y2, y1 minus y3. So we get half mod x1 minus x2, 6 minus of minus 3 plus 3, 6 minus 4, 6 minus 4. Next similarly 3 minus 5, next 3 minus of minus 2 plus 2. So we get half mod 6 plus 3 9, 3 minus 5 minus 2, 6 minus 4 2, 3 plus 2 5. So half mod AD minus BC, 9 5 is 45 minus BC, minus into minus plus 2 2 is 4, 45 plus 4 49 by 2. Now find the ratio of triangle PBC and triangle ABC. So triangle PBC by area of triangle ABC equal to, here half mod 7x plus 7y minus 14 by half mod 49. So half of cancel, take it as common 7, x plus y minus 2 by 49. So 7 7 is 49, we get x plus y minus 2 by 7 mod x plus y minus 2, x plus y minus 2 by 7. So our answer is A. Next question, area of the triangle formed by 0 comma 0 a power x square comma 0 0 comma a power 6x is equal to 1 by 2 into a power 5 square units, then find the value of x. So given points of a triangle a 0 comma 0, b a power x square comma 0, C 0 comma a power 6x. Already we know that 0 comma 0, x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2 are vertices of a triangle, then area of triangle become x1 y2 minus x2 y1. This is the formula of any one of the vertices become origin, then the area of the triangle formula become half mod x1 y2 minus x2 y1. So in our question also a 0 comma 0, then area of triangle ABC is equal to x1 y2 minus x2 y1. So this one x1 y1, these are x2 y2. So substitute the values of mod x1 value a x square into y2 value a power 6x minus x2 value 0 and y1 value also 0. So triangle ABC value already given, that is 1 by 2 into a power 5. So 1 by 2 into a power 5 equal to, so already 2 to get cancelled. So we get 1 by a power 5 equal to a power x square into a power 6x, x power m into x power n. So bases are equal, then power should be added a power x square plus 6x. So 1 by a power 5 it comes, this is in a power 5 is there in denominator. So denominator value comes to numerator, plus 5 become minus 5. So we get a power minus 5 equal to a power x square plus 6x. Now here the bases are equal, then powers also equal, x square plus 6x equal to minus 5. So x square plus 6x minus 5 becomes plus 5. So x square plus 6x plus 5 is represented a quadratic equation in terms of x. So find the roots of x. 6x we can write as 5x plus x. So take it as common here x plus 5 and take it here common 1 x plus 5. So the roots of x plus 5 equal to 0 and x plus 1 equal to 0. We get x is equal to minus 5 and x equal to minus 1. So our values are x equal to minus 1 or minus 5. Minus 1 or minus 5. So our answer is D. Next question, OPQR is square and M comma N are midpoints of PQ and QR respectively, then the area ratio of the areas of the square and the triangle OMN is. So we need to find the ratio of the area of square and area of triangle OMN. So given a square OPQR, so OPQR is a square. Right, this one O, this one P, and this one Q and R. So we don't know the side of the square, so let us consider side of a square. Let side of a square equal to A. So the distance from origin to P A, so this one A comma 0 and here this one A comma A and this one 0 comma A. So this is x axis and this one y axis. Next, M comma N are midpoints of PQ and QR. PQ midpoint is M. Next, QR midpoint is N. So first to find the midpoint M and N. So this one A comma A and this one A comma 0. So distance from origin to P is A and this one here also distance here A. So here also distance A. So M is a midpoint of PQ. Find the midpoint using midpoint formula. A plus A by 2, 2A by 2 we get A. A plus 0 by 2 we get A by 2. So these are M values. Next, 0 plus A by 2, A by 2, A plus A, 2A by 2, A. So these are N coordinates. Now joining O, M, N. So here form one triangle OMN. So we have to find the area of OPQR and next to OMN triangle area. So the side of the square is A, then area of square OPQR is equal to A square. So we get the area of the square. Now we have to find the area of OMN. So area of OMN equal to half mod. So here origin is there. So what is the formula? x1 y2 minus x2 y1. So is equal to half mod x1 y2 a into a square minus a by 2 into a by 2 a square by 4. Now half mod 4a square minus a square 3a square by 4. So we get 3a square by 2 into 4 8. So this is area of triangle OMN. Now find the ratio of the areas of square and triangle. So first square, area of square OPQR by ratio of OPQR and triangle OMN. So this one a square by 3a square by 8. So we get a square into 8 by 3a square. Through 3a square by 8 is in denominator, it become 8 by 3a square. So a square get cancelled, we get 8 by 3. 8 by 3 means 8 is to 3. So the ratio of the area of square and area of triangle OMN ratio is 8 is to 3. So our answer is B. So next question, the distance of orthocenter of the triangle and from 2, 3 is. So the distance from orthocenter and 2, 3 is how much? 2 root 2, 4 or 2. So first we have to find the orthocenter. So given 3 vertices of a triangle A 2, 3, B 4, 5, C minus 1, 10. So these 3 vertices form a equilateral triangular, right angle triangular, acute triangular, obtuse triangular or isosceles triangular. First we need to find that one. So find the distances of AB, BC and CA. What is the distance of AB? So 4 minus 2 square we get 4. Next 5 minus 3 square 4. So 4 plus 4 8. So AB equal to root 8. Next BC distance x2 minus x1 whole square minus 1 minus 4 minus 5 square 25 plus 10 minus 5 5 square 25 25 plus 25 root 50. Next CA distance minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 is 9 plus 10 minus 3 7 7 is 49 49 plus 9 58 root 58. So AB square plus BC square is equal to CA square. So AB square means root 8 square is 8, root 50 square is 50, root 58 square become 58. So 58 equal to 58. So ABC form a right angle triangle. So here hypotenuse is AC. So right angle at B. So A 2, 3, B 4, 5, C minus 1, 10. So given points form a right angle triangle. So in a right angle triangle, orthocenter at right angle. So orthocenter become 4, 5. So in a right angle triangle, orthocenter at right angle. So orthocenter is 4, 5. Already we are given another point. Suppose take it as this one D 2, 3. So we have to find the distance of O and D. So OD is equal to under root of 2 minus 4 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square. So, we get 2 minus 4 minus 2 square minus 2 whole square plus here also minus 2 whole square. So, we get 4 plus 4 root 8. So, root 8 we can write as 4 into 2. So, root 4 value 2. So, we get the distance from ortho center to 2 comma 3 is 2 root 2. So, our answer is A. So, next question is the vertices of a triangle are 6 comma 6, 0 comma 6 and 6 comma 0. The distance between its circumcenter and centroid. So, given the vertices of a triangle ABC. So, what is the value of A? 6 comma 6, B 0 comma 6 and C 6 comma 0. So, first find the distance of AB, BC and AC. If the given vertices form a right angle triangle, we can easy to find out the circumcenter. So, find first distance between AB distance. So, x2 minus x1 whole square 0 minus 6 whole square plus 6 minus 6 0 square. So, we get minus 6 square 36 plus 0 is equal to 6. So, AB value equal to 6. Next BC is equal to under root of 6 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 6 whole square. So, we get 6 square 36 plus minus 6 square 36 we get root 72. AB, BC. Next distance of CA. Distance of CA is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square 6 minus 6 whole square 0 square plus 0 minus 6 whole square root 36 is equal to 6. So, CA distance is 6. So, AB square plus AC square is equal to BC square. So, AB value is 6. 6 square plus 6 square equal to root 72 whole square. So, 36 plus 36 equal to square root get cancel. So, 72 equal to 72. So, the given vertices form a right angle triangle at A. So, hypotenuse is BC. So, in a right angle triangle circumcenter is a midpoint of hypotenuse. So, now circumcenter become midpoint of BC, right? That find S is equal to midpoint of BC. 0 plus 6 by 2 6 plus 0 by 2 6 by 2. So, S become 3 comma 3. Next find the centroid. X1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 6 plus 0 plus 6 12 by 3. Next 0 plus 6 plus 6 12 by 3 12 by 3 12 by 3. So, centroid equal to 4 comma 4. So, find the distance between circumcenter and centroid. Now, find the distance of S and G under root of 4 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 3 whole square. SG is equal to 1 plus 1, SG is equal to root 2. So, the distance between circumcenter and centroid is root 2. So, our answer is C. So, next question is the incenter of the triangle formed by the lines x plus y equal to 1, x equal to 1, y equal to 1. So, given here 3 lines. So, in a coordinate system this is x and y. So, x equal to 1 line, it is parallel to y axis, and y is equal to 1 line, it is parallel to x axis. So, the intersection point is 1 comma 1. So, this is x equal to 1 and this one y equal to 1 line. Here the distance here 1, next here also the distance is 1. So, this one 1 comma 0 and this point is 0 comma 1. And another one, x plus y equal to 1 line. If y is equal to 0, x equal to 1, then 1 comma 0 point is this one, and if x is equal to 0, y equal to 1, so we get 0 comma 1 point. So x plus y equal to 1 passing through these 2 points. So this one is x plus y equal to 1 line. This one is x equal to 1 line. So x equal to 1, y equal to 1 and x plus y equal to 1, these 3 lines form one triangle here. So this one A and this one B and this one C, 1 comma 1. So we have a one triangle C A B, 1 comma 0, 0 comma 1 and 1 comma 1. Now we get the vertices of a triangle. Now we have to find the incenter. So what is the incenter formula? Ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 by a plus b plus c and ay1 plus by2 plus cy3 by a plus b plus c. So x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 are coordinates of ABC. Already we have x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So we need to find the value of ABC. So A is this one distance small a and this one distance small b and the distance between AB is small c. Already we know the distance of AC. The distance of AC is 1. So now the distance of AC is equal to small b value we get 1, and the distance of BC, the distance between BC is small a is also equal to 1. Now we have to find the distance of AB is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square, 0 minus 1 whole square 1, 1 minus 0 whole square, 1 square 1. So we get C value is root 2. So A, B, C value all we get. So substitute all the values in the formula I. So I is equal to Ax1, Ax1, x1y1, x2y2, x3 y3. Substitute here 1 into A into x1, x1 value also 1, Ax1 plus B, B y1. Ax1 plus B x2, x2 value 0, next plus C, C into x3, x3 value 1 by A plus B plus C, 1 plus 1 plus root 2. Next similarly A y1, A into y1 value 0 plus B into y2, y2 value 1 plus C into y3, y3 value 1 by A plus B plus C. So I is equal to in center 1 into 1 1, here 0, root 2 into 1 root 2. So 1 plus root 2 by 2 plus root 2. Here also 1 plus root 2 by 2 plus root 2. 1 plus root 2 by 2 and plus root 2, take it as common root 2, here we get root 2 plus 1, and similarly here also take it as common root 2, we get 1 plus root 2, 1 plus root 2, 1 plus root 2 get cancelled. So we get in center I is equal to 1 by root 2 comma 1 by root 2. So this is our value. So value of in center is 1 by root 2 comma 1 by root 2. So our answer is C. So next question, if OGS are orthocenter, centroid and circumcenter of a triangle whose vertices are ABC, then AO square plus 9BG square plus 4CS square equal to how much? So before we find this value, we need to find the value of OGS. So in our question given vertices of a triangle, so this vertices form a right angle triangle or equilateral triangle. First we need to find that one. So find the distance of AB, BC and CA. So distance of AB 2 minus 2, 0 square 0, 4 minus 3, 1 square 1, we get root 1 means, so AB value is 1. Next, BC is equal to, distance of BC 4 minus 2, 2 square 4 plus 3 minus 4 minus 1 square 1, we get root 5. Next, CA equal to 4 minus 2 square 4 minus 2, 2 square 4 plus 3 minus 3 0. So, root 4 is equal to 4 plus 0 equal to root 4 value 2. So, AB square plus CA square is equal to BC square. So, AB square 1 square 1, this one 2 square 4, here root 5 square 5. So, 5 is equal to 5. So, the given vertices of a triangle form a right angle triangle, and right angle at A. So, hypotenuse is BC. So, A 2 comma 3, B 2 comma 4, C 4 comma 3. So, in a right angle triangle, first one orthocentric right angle, so orthocenter is become 2 comma 3. Next, centroid G is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 by 3. Next, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 by 3. Next, circumcenter. In a right angle triangle, circumcenter is a midpoint of hypotenuse. So, find the midpoint of BC. 4 plus 2 6 by 2 3. Next, 3 plus 4 7, 7 by 2. 4 plus 2 6 by 2, we get 3. Next, 4 plus 3 7 by 2. So, now we have to find AO square plus 9 into BG square plus 4 into CS square, right. A value 2 comma 3 and O value 2 comma 3, so both x and y coordinates, both points are equal, then the value of AO square is equal to 0. Why? Because 2 minus 2 0, 3 minus 3 0. Next, 9 into BG square, right, distance of BG 8 by 3 minus 2 whole square plus 10 by 3 minus 4 whole square. Next, plus 4 into CS square, CS, right, 3 minus 4 whole square plus 7 by 2 minus 3 whole square, right, is equal to, so first one 0, next 9 into 8 by 3 minus 2, 3 2 just 6, 8 minus 6, 2 by 3. So, 2 by 3 whole square plus 3 4 is 12, 10 minus 12 minus 2, minus 2 by 3 whole square plus 4 into 3 minus 4 minus 1 square plus 2 3 just 6, 7 minus 6 1, 1 by 2 whole square. Now, we get 9 into 4 by 9 plus 4 by 9. Next, 4 into 1 plus 1 by 4. Now, we get 4 plus 4 8 by 9. Next here plus 4 into 1 4 plus 1 5 by 4. We get 4 4 cancel here, 9 9 cancel, 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. So, the value of AO square plus 9 BG square plus 4 CS square is equal to 13. So, our answer is B. So, today's session is completed and our chapter 2D coordinate system also completed. If you have any doubts in this class and previous classes, please call to my number. I will clarify your doubts. Take care. Bye bye.